In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync a page in OneNote. OneNote is a powerful tool for taking and organizing notes. It automatically syncs your notes stored in OneDrive, SharePoint, or Microsoft 365. This means your notes can be accessed from any device that supports OneNote. However, you may find yourself needing to sync a specific page. While there's no direct option to sync just one page, you can sync the entire notebook that contains that page. This process ensures that your latest changes are uploaded and available across all your devices. First, open OneNote on your Windows device. You will see your notebook list on the left side of the screen. Each notebook represents a collection of your notes. If you have multiple notebooks, locate the one that contains the page you want to sync. Opening OneNote is the first step to making sure your notes stay current. This action sets the stage for syncing your work efficiently. Next, navigate to the notebook that contains the page you want to sync. Click on it to open it fully. You should see all your sections and pages within that notebook. It's important to make sure you are in the correct notebook so that you can sync the right content. This step is crucial because syncing the wrong notebook could lead to confusion later. Once your notebook is open, select File from the top menu. This will take you to the settings and options for your notebook. Here you can manage your notebooks and access sync options. Choosing File is essential as it leads you to the information you need to keep your notes updated. It is a simple yet vital action in the syncing process. After that, click on Info. This section provides you with details about your notebook, including its sync status. You will see information regarding when the notebook was last synced and any errors that may have occurred. Understanding the sync status is important because it gives you insight into whether your notes are up to date or if there are issues that need addressing. Now look for the option that says View Sync Status. Clicking this will display a window that shows the current syncing status of your notebook. If everything is functioning correctly, you'll see a confirmation indicating that syncing is up to date. This is a reassuring step as it confirms that your notes are being backed up as expected. Next, click Sync Now next to the notebook containing your page. This action will initiate the sync process for that entire notebook. Any changes made in the pages of that notebook will be uploaded to the cloud. It's important to remember that OneNote syncs entire notebooks, not individual pages. This step ensures all your recent updates are saved and accessible across all your devices. As a helpful tip, you can also press Shift and F9 to manually sync the current notebook. This keyboard shortcut provides a quick way to sync without navigating through the menus. Using shortcuts can save you time and streamline your workflow. It's a small action that can lead to greater efficiency in managing your notes. Lastly, keep in mind that if only one page won't sync, you can try copying its contents to a new page or a new section, then sync again. This method can resolve page-specific sync issues that may arise. Remember, your notebook must be stored in OneDrive, SharePoint, or Microsoft 365 for syncing to work across devices. This ensures your notes remain accessible and up to date, providing peace of mind as you work. By following these steps, you can ensure your notes remain synced and accessible across all devices. Thank you for watching and happy syncing.